Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. You want to see how I made this delicious No Bake Oreo Cheesecake? Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started with making the crust. Here I have about 24 Oreos. I'm going to transfer them to this Ziploc bag. Now, you can use a food processor if you want to, but I'm using a Ziploc bag because I know not many people have food processors. So I'm gonna give it a good smash there. Smash, 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 smash. Get it all smashed up. Nice and smashed up like that. Then we're gonna pour it into our little bowl here. What are you doing? Get out of that corner right there. Oh yes, we have to get every little bit. So now that we got all those crumbles out of the bag, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to give it a quick mix just like this. Get your rubber spatula and move it around. Mix it around just like that there. Now let's grab you a baking pan that's lined with parchment paper. And we're going to lay out all that good crust right there with that spatula. Make sure you get it nice and flat. Get it down in there. Keep pressing. See, now I had to put a glove on, y'all, because I'm sharing this with some other people. So once you got that all nice and pressed down, we're going to refrigerate this for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's get started on making the filling. We're going to grab 2 8-ounce cream cheese packets. There's 1 and there is 2. Those have to be at room temperature. We're going to use my handy dandy hand mixer and we're going to mix that up. And here I have 2/3 cup of white granulated sugar. We're gonna pour all that in there and set that bowl aside and keep giving it a mix. And now we're gonna add 1 2/3 cup of heavy cream. That's heavy whipping cream. This has probably been sitting out of the refrigerator for maybe about 5 minutes. It's not at room temperature, in case you guys are wondering. Look at that. Y'all see my mixer splashing everything everywhere. And we're going to continue to mix there. I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl with my rubber spatula. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Or you can add a pinch more if you want to, but I added about a teaspoon. And we're going to keep on mixing. Okay, here I have 8 to 10 chopped Oreos. We're going to give these a gentle fold in our cream mixture here. Nice and smooth, just like so. See how I'm doing that? Yeah, I want y'all to do the same thing. Okay, we're going to grab our Oreo crust out of the refrigerator and we're going to put all this cream cheese filling right on top, just like that. Now we're gonna give it a good, nice smoothing out. We're gonna get it all nice and smooth. And now we're gonna add some more Oreos on top. I guess I used about the regular size of the Oreo packet, not the family size, but the regular size. I don't know how many cookies are in it. I just know I used the whole pack and I knew it wasn't a family size. Okay, now that we're all done with that, we're going to give this a quick cover with some parchment or wax paper. That's going to prevent ice crystals from forming on the top. We're going to stick this in the freezer for at least 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours. You don't want to get it frozen solid, but 3 to 4 hours. Be right back. And welcome back. It's been about 3 or 4 hours, and there you go. Okay, I'm going to remove this from the pan and slide it on my cutting board. And get ready to slice into this. Oh man, this looks delicious. Let's just get ready to slice right into this. Here we go. And there you have it. It looks so yummy. The Oreo No Bake Cheesecake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.